Hello everyone, this is Kitty Cat Craft Studio here, and today I am going to be going to do the update. So let's get started. So it looks like this first one is an igloo. Wow, it's really pretty. It's a really pretty den. And just look at that. There's like all these different like little sections and stairs. So it says the Igloo Estate, and it says, near the North Pole, floating offshore, lies a beautiful iceberg never seen before. This new den is none other than the Igloo Estate. Check out all its rooms, prepare to decorate. It's a lot of rhyming, but anyway, moving on to the next one. Alright, now there's Daily Jamaaliday Gifts. It says, daily gifts will continue until the month is at its end. Find some parties to attend. There are still surprises in store. And moreover, get the most out of the jamaalidays until the season is over. Well, that was a really pretty jamaaliday tree. Christmas tree. I mean, there's like a lot of rhyming. Also, if I ended up repeating something, the recorder, that records this, sort of paused. So anyway, next one. Okay, this one says penguins welcome. Wait a second. It looks like I did a video on this like 2 months ago. I mean, that was the first time I did this voice audio thing. I am very sorry if it sounded bad. I had never done voice audio before. But anyway, let's read. If you have buddies who love penguins and are looking for a new place to call home, invite them to join you in the world Jamaa. To celebrate penguins everywhere, now anyone can enter the code PENGUINS to receive a penguin and a pet penguin for free, with lots more penguin fun waiting for them in Animal Jam Play Wild. So that one's pretty nice, but the same thing has already come, like the same update. Well, like the same thing. Never mind. Next one. 2018 in Jamaa Ancient Animals. Inside Belusha's Temple of the Ancients, jammers discovered 2 stone slabs that eventually crumbled to reveal statues of saber-tooths and direwolves. Ancient animals that hadn't been seen in Jamaa for many, many years. These animals were able to return thanks to the alphas bringing the saber-tooth heartstone back to the land of Belush. The ancient revelations didn't end there. Ancient pets appeared soon after. Oh yeah, also, sorry if you hear something really loud in the background. There's like some work. We found like puddles of water in my basement. Anyway, it seemed like that I don't even remember when direwolves or saber-tooths left. I didn't even know they left. That's weird. Alright, next one. This one's an advertisement. It's my holiday wish list. If you want to add an Animal Jam membership to your holiday wish list, there's still time to share this link with your friends and family to let them know. New Year's party. This year is almost over. It feels like it's just begun. Come celebrate with buddies for making it through another one. Mannequins. Mannequins let you show off the accessories, gathering dust on your shelves. Try decorating your den with your own army of elves. Well, this is sort of creepy right here. Okay, so that's it for the updates. And now I'm going to go on my other account, LeahTheBunny123, and I am going to go look at the new items that have come in around Jamaa. So let's actually get started. Okay, so now I'm on LeahTheBunny123, and here are the dens, and the Igloo Estate 7 diamonds, and so this is 5 diamonds, but I only have 109 diamonds, so I don't know if I should get it, because I don't have 102. You know what, I think I know what I'm going to do. I am going to get the jamaaliday house and then save up for the Igloo Estate. Let's take a preview of it. Well, this is really nice. I'm getting it. Okay, now I am in the clothing store, and I want to see if they have anything good. Here's my new masterpiece. Person is trading me all this stuff for a box set. Sure. They're probably going to decline, though. Oh, really? Alright. Thank you. Okay, so I'm in Epic Wonders, and I'm going to see if they have any good jamaaliday items. They've got a train set fireplace. Got a fountain, snowman on the shelf. And that, oh, nothing good. Okay, now on here's for the jamaaliday clothing. They've got the holly crown, which is in my giveaway. For my giveaway, you just got to subscribe, like, and put your animal's username and your favorite animal in the comments, and then we'll see who gets it. There's 6 items, but doesn't seem like anyone wants to do it. Okay, so they've also got the holly tiara, plastic headphones. Wait, that's not jamaaliday. Jamaaliday tail ribbons, epic jamaaliday top hat. Oh my god, but that's so much. But there doesn't seem to be really anything in there. I just do want the top hat. This person called Dawn3 attempts to trade a necklace for a rare squid hat. I'm sorry, but that is the most unfair trade ever. Okay, not the ever, but you know, close enough. Okay, now I'm in Sunken Treasures. I want to see if they have anything. It doesn't seem like anything here. We've got a coral snowman, which is not showing up, but that doesn't seem to be good. And nothing here. This person, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fun time, wants to trade these for this turquoise necklace. They probably know that's like worth like 3,000 something gems, but I'm sorry, I don't really want the stuff. Good effort though. Okay, so that's it for the jamaaliday shopping. And now I thought, since this new den is really cool, I could just do some den decorating. So let's go. Okay, so sorry about that. I had some technical difficulties. The computer sort of froze and stuff. But anyway, let me show you the den, or what I got done of it. So here's the living room, sort of. I need to get some more jamaaliday stuff. I put some presents under the tree. Here's a holly fountain over here. And out here's a medium tree and a snowman. There's just a pathway of stuff over here. What? I didn't even know this place existed. 1 second. Okay, I sort of just had to add some cookies and milk in the middle. So anyway, you go down back down the pathway. There's some holly bushes and the runway. Okay, now up to my room. I've got this little peppermint pathway, and then my masterpiece tokens, which I'm gonna move later because. So it's a chocolate pool. And so this is my bedroom. It's like a little pillow, candle for light, phantom snowman, a holly flower, a little phantom guard, and a dresser. Okay, so that's it for the video. I really hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe, And see you in my next video. Bye.